Welcome to the HAL APS channel. In this video I will demonstrate the multi-level BOM. Why is it so important? The multi-level BOM is crucial for the production of complex products, as it helps to manage the production process and monitor inventory at different levels. Cars, airplanes, wagons, agricultural machinery, washing machines, refrigerators, televisions, telephones, coffee machines, structures, engines, etc. have a multi-level structure. The multi-level BOM is characterized by a hierarchical structure, where the highest level is the finished product, and the remaining levels represent semi-finished products, details, components and materials. A revision change can affect any level of the BOM, so managing revisions in the case of a multi-level BOM is quite complicated. Multi-level BOMs are forced by the order of scheduling. HAL APS supports multi-level BOM without any restrictions on the number of levels. It does not matter if there is 1 or 1000. HAL also supports BOM substitutions, variable and fixed material consumption. It can also manipulate the net and gross amounts passed to the next level. HAL provides new, powerful possibilities. For more information on HAL APS, including our list pricing, please visit the HAL APS web page. If you're looking to learn more about using HAL APS, our YouTube channel offers a vast selection of tutorial videos.